Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a bar chart on your LibreOffice site on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar chart on your LibreOffice site, I'm just going to show in this video. So to insert a bar chart, just click on the insert option on the top first. And then you have an option called chart. Click this, or you can just directly click on the chart on the top. After clicking, you just need to click on change the chart type here. So here the chart type, here you just need a bar chart and click OK. You can automatically it automatically update here. So I just keep here. So now in bar chart you have three different styles of bar chart, stocked and percentage stocked, like this. And here we just need a 3D look chart. Click on the 3D look, so it will automatically change to 3D look. Just wait for some time, it's about your computer processing. And in the 3D look you have two options called realistic or simple. So I just go with realistic, which actually look great. Then in the shapes you have four options like cylinder, cone and pyramid. So it's actually a fully customizable bar chart. It's actually looking also great. So this is how you just insert a bar chart on your LibreOffice site. And you have another more options like vertical girths and axis. You can just control on the top here the 3D views. This is an amazing one thing, and perspective can be changed, appearance, and also the lighting can be pushed. So you can see I just moved here. You can see the lighting has been changing here. So I just keep it on the bottom, so you can see how the lighting look like. And also you can change the lighting colors too. It's actually advanced like that. You can just change the colors, lighting like green or pink, whatever the color you just need. It's super amazing actually. And if you just need to fill the data, you have here data table. So here you can just customize the data by the table. You can just add table or just delete the table, and you can just change the rows, and you can just customize the table. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will be in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.